In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur edges in Canva. By the end, you'll know how to softly fade the edges of an image so it blends smoothly with your background, creates a subtle vignette, or draws attention to the center of your design. Start by opening your design in Canva and selecting the image you want to work on. Click the image so you see the bounding box and active handles. With the image selected, look to the top toolbar and click Edit. This opens the editing panel where you'll find the tools you need for edge blurring. Inside the Edit panel, locate the Tools section. If you don't see all available options right away, click See All to expand the full list. If a second See All appears within that section, click it as well to reveal everything. From the expanded options, choose Blur. This brings up the brush-based blur controls specifically designed for painting softness onto parts of your image. Before you start brushing, set your brush size. A larger brush is great for broad, fast coverage around big, open edges. A smaller brush helps you navigate tight corners, fine details, or complex silhouettes like hair or foliage. You can switch sizes anytime, so don't worry about getting it perfect from the start. Next, adjust intensity. This controls how strong the blur is with each stroke. For natural results, keep it on the lower to medium side and build up gradually. A lighter intensity gives you more control and avoids that hazy, over-processed look. You can always increase it briefly for areas that need extra softness, then dial it back down. Now, brush along the edges of your image to create the blur. Work just inside the perimeter, following the contour of the subject. Move in smooth, overlapping strokes, and take your time. It often helps to make multiple gentle passes rather than one heavy sweep. If your edge is irregular, reduce the brush size to stay precise. Try to keep your cursor slightly outside the subject's outline so the blur feathers outward, blending into the background instead of smudging across key details. If you go too far, use Undo and reduce the intensity for a softer touch. You can zoom in for accuracy on intricate areas, then zoom back out to judge the overall blend. Continue alternating brush size and intensity as needed until the transition looks even and natural all the way around. That's it. You selected the image, opened Edit, expanded Tools with See All, chose Blur, set brush size and intensity, and painted a smooth, soft edge. Save your design and enjoy the polished, professional finish.